Per se is a phrase that means by itself or intrinsically. You use per se to emphasize that you are talking about the inherent nature of something rather than its relationship to other things. I'm Ava from Quillbot, and I'm going to teach you how to use per se. Reviewing some examples can help you better understand how to use per se. Here are a few. I don't dislike the city per se. I just dislike the traffic. In this sentence, the person doesn't dislike the city by itself. They just don't like the traffic. She's not lazy per se, she's just a bit disorganized. Here, the speaker is saying that the person isn't inherently lazy, she's just not organized. The movie wasn't scary per se, but it had an unsettling atmosphere. The movie in question wasn't actually scary, but rather unsettling. Some people mistakenly spell per se as per se. This is a spelling mistake and is always incorrect. When using this phrase, make sure to always spell it correctly, with an E, not a Y.